there's a very special opportunity that won't be secret much longer. This is due to the convergence of several major global trends, coupled with the launch of a proprietary device in one of the hottest industries in the world. The trends? First, technology. Information, shopping, connecting, everything is mobile. Next is wellness and beauty. It seems young and old, and everyone in between is thinking anti-aging. Now, add the gig economy. Millions of people are diversifying, looking for their side hustle. They want the money, of course, but along with it, flexibility. They also want to have fun and make a difference. Nu Skin is positioned right where these trends intersect. The result? Last year, Nu Skin grew 18% worldwide to more than $2.6 billion in sales. Publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange, Nu Skin now does business in nearly 50 markets around the world. Now, add that hot new device. The world's most comprehensive market research on the skincare industry is published by Euromonitor International Limited, and it reported that Nu Skin has been ranked the world's #1 at-home beauty device system brand for the years 2017 and 2018. Here's what company president Ryan Apiersky said. Nu Skin has differentiated itself in the rapidly growing at-home beauty device market with device systems that combine powerful serums and solutions with beauty devices to become the leading brand. This combination of scientifically proven formulations with patented technology addresses a range of consumers' top skincare concerns such as cleansing, firming, hydrating, and the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Nu Skin offers an innovative portfolio of beauty devices. The LumiSpa is the latest addition and reached the milestone of more than 2 million units sold worldwide in just 18 months. Yet that represents just a fraction of the rapidly growing $54 billion global device market. LumiSpa is winning awards worldwide while delivering visible results. In addition to beauty, there's also wellness, anti-aging from the inside, with an outstanding nutritional line of leading-edge products and measurement technology. And there's so much more in development, with Nu Skin scientists working in labs around the world. Nu Skin continues to innovate and evolve in other areas. For example, you can effectively do business online through social media. Many Nu Skin products are a perfect fit because of the visible results, the personal stories, and the potential for solid retail profits. And it's easy to get started because there's no sign-up fee or kit to purchase. Plus, you get free training and support and free personalized apps and websites. Technology isn't your thing? Then simply work offline. At the end of the day, we're a people and relationships business. Innovation also applies to the Nu Skin compensation program, aptly named Velocity. It's flexible, fast, and fulfilling, and you can get paid weekly and monthly. Most people start part-time and work from anywhere at any time. Nu Skin is a company that values effort and leadership, rewarding you and qualified team members with success trips to exciting destinations. Whether it's the products, the business, or both, you should learn more about Nu Skin. Beyond all the innovation, Nu Skin is making a huge difference in thousands of lives through its award-winning philanthropic programs. Be sure to get more information about the Force for Good Foundation and Nourish the Children programs. There's plenty of room for you to play a role as we grow this market. We need the right people to achieve our goals throughout the world. Every day, women and men and couples from a wide variety of backgrounds are joining Nu Skin. So get back to the person who invited you and learn more about how you can get started right away.